Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. Now today's video ay para sa inyong mga Aries. No, before matapos ang buwang ito, Aries. Kaya tutok na Aries. So before tayo mag-start Aries, may kunti akong announce para sa aking paparating na 100k. Mamimigay kami ng free reading at konting cash gift para sa aming mapipili. Sundin nyo lamang ang nasa criteria Aries. Alright, nakalagay sa aking description. So, Aries, this is not for everybody, kaya take what is resonate for you. Aries, kung ikaw ay bago sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe na, no? Para laging updated sa ating mga videos na i-upload, Aries. Kung ikaw naman ay pabalik-balik na, maraming salamat, Aries, for your love and support of this channel. So, Aries, show me universe, what is your message for Aries? Aries, show me what is your message for Aries. Universe, show me what is your message for Aries. Universe, show me what is your message for Aries. Aries, show me. Aries, may mabubunyag na sikreto na ikaw lamang ang makakadiscover. So, full of excited, full of happiness din ang mga Aries, no? Before matapos ang buwang ito. Aries, justice is with you. So, kung ano man yung mga gusto mong makukuha this month, ay makukuha mo, Aries, no? Financial man yan, material man yan, trabaho man yan, or whatever, kung ano man yan, Aries. So, panig sa iyo ang universe, Aries. Okay? Or balance din ang mga energy ng mga Aries this month. So, Aries, you have the Chariot card. So, this means overcoming difficulties. So, mga pagsubok na malampasan mo, Aries. Kumbaga, this month ay parang unti-unti nang guminhawa o lumiliwanag ang ating panganap buhay ba, ating relationship ba, o kung ano man yan, or ating negosyo man yan, Aries. Okay. So, Aries, maraming nakatingin sa mga Aries. Maraming gumagaya. So, some of you din ay may mga delay, no? Some of you, mga Aries. Okay. So, Aries, kung ano man yung mga katanungan mo sa buhay, the answer is yes. Okay. So, some of you ay may mga kasunduan, no? This month also, kung pag-uusapan naman natin ang spiritually, Aries, may kasunduan ka ng ating divine. Some of you ay mga healer. You can heal people, you can heal sensitive, you can heal broken-hearted, something like that, Aries. Okay, so some of you ay nagtatrabaho sa hospital, mga nursing, something like that. No? Some of you ay doctor, no? Like that. So, Aries, nakikita ka all over the world, no? Yes. Yes, so Aries, some of you you are the one broke the course na galing pa sa inyong kanunuan. Okay, so some of you you are the center of attraction, no? Some of you. So, some of you din ay victorious. Sinabi ko na kanina kung ano ang iyong pinaglalaban, you win, Aries. Alright, so may mata nakatingin sa mga Aries, na stock sa inyong mga picture, no? Some of you ay may ability to manage people, no? Handle people, something like that. May mga offer din dito na tinalikuran mo, Aries. No, Aries, kung ikaw ay may karelasyon, you are perfect relationship, Aries. Magkasundo kayo ng iyong kapartner. Yes. At may mga achieving din dito, Aries, no? Yes, achieving na mga desire, Aries. Some of you makabili ng lupain, some of you makabili ng bayat lupa, something like that, no? Yes, so some of you ay happy family. So, Aries, again, victorious this card. So, some of you ay makatanggap ng reward, appreciation, kumbaga, nadi-discover ang iyong pagka-ikaw, Aries, no? Something. Some of you ay, kung ikaw ay estudyante, no? Makatanggap ka ng appreciation ng iyong teacher, certification ba, whatever, kung ano man yan. Or kung ikaw ay nagtatrabaho, no? Yes, so some of you ay born to be a CEO, mga Aries. Yes, so dipinsan mo rin, Aries, ang iyong sarili, no? Yes, dahil may mga tao din dito, Aris, na nag-spy sa inyo. Okay, so some of you din ay may mga promotion, offer this month. Alright, so see? Yeah. See, may paparating na offer. And ito ay mga opportunity, Aris. Okay, this month. Okay, so Aris, choose wisely sa mga offer. Alright. So, some of you ay makukuha mo kung ano mong gusto mo this month, Aris. Material man yan, relationship man yan, trabaho man yan na gusto mo, negosyo man yan, or karangalan man yan, Aris. So, Aris, you are very close ng ating Panginoon, ng ating angel's guide, ng ating spirit guide, no? Yes. So, you have also Archangel Michael, Aris, no? Na handang protektahan ka at gabayan ka. So, Aris, you have the sun and you have the star. So, this is confirmation na sisikat ang mga Aris this month. Kung ikaw ay sikat, ay lalo ka pang sisikat. Or some of you ay stable ang iyong kasikatan, no? Hanggang ngayon. You are the center of attraction, no? Or sinabi ko na rin kanina na makikita ka all over the world. See? Through Wi-Fi, through internet, no? Star is celebrity or sikat na vlogger, something like that, no? Yes. Or maraming nag-stalk sa inyong mga picture. Some of you ay ginagaya ang mga Aris, no? Some of you ay sinusundan lagi ang inyong mga galaw, something. Kaya laging alerto at ipinsaan mo ang iyong sarili, Aris. So, Aris, may mga hard work payoff din sa mga Aris, no? This month. Some of you ay nagbabalak magnegosyo, no? Some of you ay na-discover ang iyong pagka-hardworking. So, may mga taong gusto kang pahirapan, Aris. Yes. So, some of you ay may mga tao ding kumbaga nag-wish ayun na masama, no? Para ikaw ay magdusa. They don't want you to be happy, victorious, something like that, Aris. No, nakikita nila na you shine like a star, Aris. Kaya there is envy, jealous here in your card, Aris. So, Aris, may mga offer na nakatubili kang tanggapin. No? Aris, see? This is confirmation. This is public recognition. Na makilala ang mga Aris, shine like a star. Okay, see? Nakikita through internet all over the world, no? So some of you ay nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa, mga OFW, some of you, no? Some of you ay doon talaga ang yung tadhana sa ibang bansa, no? Kumbaga doon ka kumikita sa ibang bansa. Some of you ay kumikita through online, no? Kumbaga ang source of income ninyo ay galing sa labas, something like that. Yes. So this is confirmation na ang mga Aries ay sisikat. Alright, so hard work pay up again. Gusto niya magpalagay. Oh. Yes. So some of you mga Aries din ay may kaalaman about law. No, some of you. So some of you ay may nag-take advantage sa iyong kabaitan, no? Some of you. Yes. So some of you ay wise, intelligent, may kaalaman ang mga Aries. So additional message for Aries this month before matapos ang buwang ito. Aries, show me what is your message for Aries. Angel, spirit guide. Tell me when I stop. Oh, big celebration sa mga Aries this month. Yes. May mga wish fulfillment this month also sa mga Aries. So, some of you mga Aries ay maimbitahan ng kasalan, party ba, kasiyahan this month of August. So, Aries, hindi mag-umpisa ang kasiyahan pag hindi ka makarating. Because you have this card, you are the center of attraction. And you are the star, okay? So, nagdepende lamang tayo sa baraha kung ano ang lumalabas, Aries. So, take what is resonant for you, Aries. Oh, Aries, the lovers. So, some of you ay may new relationship, kung ikaw ay single. Some of you ay your love, Aries, mapagmahal ka, mapagbigay ka, maawain ka, Aries. So, some of you mga Aries din ay, kumbaga, malastar beauty. Kumbaga, maraming humahanga sa inyong kagandahan, sa inyong kapugihan, no? So, either you are lalaki or babae na nanonood sa akin. So, this is confirmation also, the King of Wands. may lagi nag-stalk sa inyong mga picture, may lagi nakatingin sa inyong mga picture, sa inyong mga upload, no? Yeah, kaya ko ito nasabi dahil you have the world card, Aris. Okay, so, kumbaga, Wi-Fi, no? Kumbaga, internet, something like that. So, Two of Cups, so this is confirmation also na may mga kasunduan this month. Or may mga kasunduan ang mga Aris as a healer ng ating divine. So, Aris, you have the Tower card. Be careful, huwag tayong gumagawa ng mga labag sa batas. No, dahil kung pag-uusapan natin ang the Tower, this is imprisonment. So, be careful, huwag tayong gumagawa ng mga hindi ka nais-nais, Aris. Okay. So, some of you mga Aris din ay may mga mind-blowing, shocking news, no, this month. Yes. So, Aris, some of you ay gusto nyo nang tanggalin ang mga toxic job, toxic relationship, toxic na mga friends na hindi deserve sa buhay mo. Some of you. Yes. So, may mga offer again. See? Andyan na, Aris. Sinubo na sa'yo pero parang ayaw mo pang tanggapin ang mga offer na yan. Dahil siguro sa iyong pagkamatalino, smart, alam mo na kung ano ang mangyayari pag tanggapin mo ang mga offer na to, something like that. So, maraming mag-offer sa mga Aris, no? Yes. Pero some of you ay umiiwas lamang ng gulo, umiiwas lamang sa mga issue, something like that. Kaya hindi ka padalos-dalos sa desisyon. Hindi ka basta-basta na mag-accept ng mga offer. Yes, so see, Four of Wands, may paparating, part of your family, Aries. So, some of you ay may mga meditation na formation na magkatotoo this month. If you can see 11-11, this is the ibig sabihin, Aries. So, some of you ay may kakasal this month also, no? This is marriage also, Aries. Yes. So, Aries, some of you hindi makatulog paggabi, balisa, may bumabagawag sa isipan. Yes. So, Knight of Pentacles. So, may paparating na messages sa bahay mo, no? Aries. So, be careful. May mga taong mag-betrayal, lying, and spying sa mga Aries. So, laging alerto. So, keep it yourself, Aries, kung anong meron tayo, Aries. No? Kung anong mga na-achieve natin, Aries. Keep it yourself, huwag mong i-public, okay? Dahil may mga part of your family or nakapaligid sa iyo na medyo na-envy, nag-jealous sa inyong mga Aries. Okay? Yes. So, Aries, see? The Ten of Pentacles. So, mga baul ng kayamanan, Aries. So, some of you ay mala royalty ang energy. Some of you ay makatanggap ng malaking pera. Some of you manalo ba ng loto or online gaming. So, some of you ay kumbaga, may mga retirement money ba, inheritance money, or whatever, kung anong mga money na yan, Aries. Okay, so prosperity, wealth, and abundance ang mga Aries this month. Yes. Yeah, see? Four of Pentacles. Give it yourself kung may malaking perang paparating this month. Huwag masyadong public, okay? Or share din, Aries, pag may malaking pera tayo, okay? Yes. So, Five of Cups. Some of you ay may nawalan, relationship ba, trabaho ba, something like that. Or, some of you upset. Some of you ay may nangangailangan ng hustisya, Aries. Kaya minsan, bigyan din natin ng pansin ang ating nakapaligid sa atin. Mga part of the family ba, or ating kulig, ating boss ba, baka nangangailangan ng iyong tulong, no? Yes, or either this is you, Aries. Some of you are sad, upset, may inindang nakaramdaman, something like that. So, Aries, bigyan mo rin ng pansin ang iyong sarili. Huwag masyadong magpagabi, no? Something, maaga matulog, or minor-minor sa ating mga adiksyon, sa ating mga kahiligan, Aries. Alright. Si Ace of Pentacles, Aries. So, some of you mga Aries may new financial coming, prosperous, wealthy, and abundance ang mga Aries. Yes. OMG. So, maraming pera ang mga Aries, no? This month of August. Yes. Aries, you receive a blessings because of your talent. So, this is confirmation, Aries, see? Nakikita ka through internet, shine like a star, public recognition, nakilala ka. So, this is confirmation, no? And this is hard work payoff. So, this is confirmation, Aries, na may mga talento ka dito na magkakapera ka, Aries. This is confirmation also, no? Sa baraha na lumabas, see? You receive a blessings because of your talent, Aries. Okay, so it's time to change your life, Aries. Alright, you have a gift of courage. So, this is confirmation also na ang mga Aries ay mga brave hero. No? Yes. Aries, additional message. You are very smart. So, this is confirmation na ang mga Aries ay napakatalino. Unexpected income. So, this is confirmation also, no? Na may mga new financial coming this month. So, admiring your work. See? May naka-admire sa iyong work, Aries. Yes. So, unexpected opportunities arrive. OMG, see? Mga opportunity. This is opportunity, Aries. No? Yes. So, 555. Changes. Something new is coming. Kung makakita ka ng 555, no? So, that means something new is coming for you, Aries. You are a golden child of God, Aries. See? You are a golden child of God, Aries. You receive again. It's coming out, this card. Your intuitive is true, Aries. Hindi magkakamali ang iyong isipan ng iyong mga haka. Of course, no? You're smart. Yes, you are the hero of your family and friends. So this is confirmation also na ang mga Aries ay hero. Some of you ay nagtatrabaho sa government. Some of you ay mga breadwinner. Some of you ay inaasahan ng pamilya, ng boss, something like that. Okay, so I love you, my child. Don't lose hope. Kung ano man yung mga nawala ng pag-asa, Aries, no? So, wag mawala ng pag-asa. God is with you, Aries. Dahil may baraka dito na something, may bumabagabag sa iyong isipan, Aries. Yes, nasana yon. Okay, so you are the golden child of God. You're helping without return, Aries. You become super rich, Aries. Wow, sana all. Works with candles. So, some of you ay mahilig mag-light ng candle, wish, or candle magic, something like that, no? Some of you. So, yeah. So, kung gusto mo rin, Aries, na may mga pangarap kang magkatotoo, no? Use candle magic. Okay. Say, you are the hero of your family and friends. Of Aries, show me. What is this? God is in your side, Aries. Yes, you are blessed, Aries. Of course. Kung ikaw ba naman ay a golden child of God, no? See? Star beauty ang mga Aries. So, this is confirmation, no? Mga center, no? Mga star beauty ang mga Aries. So, mag-viral na idea. May idea na mag-viral. Kaya pala dito, you receive a blessings because of your talent, Aries. You are willing to help to the needy people, Aries, na walang kapalit. Enemy, they don't want you to be happy, victorious, and prosper, Aries. Yeah, see? They don't want you to be happy, victorious. See? Pinahirapan ka, Aries. Nag-wish sa iyo ng masama, no? Something like that, galit, something. Yeah. But you are victorious, Aries. This is victory card. And this is victory card, Aries. Yes, big opportunity is coming. Yes, see? Opportunity, this card, Aries. You're born to be a celebrity, Aries. So, yes, so this is confirmation, no? Now you born to be a celebrity. So 444, this means protection. So the universe and your spiritual guide are protecting to you, Aries. So that's all for this month of August. So this one humabol pa. 111. Follow your heart and make sure to focus on what you want to manifest, Aries. So kung gusto kang mag-magic, candle magic, focus isa lamang. Okay, so that's all my reading for this month of August. Hope you like it. Huwag kalimutang mag-comment. Huwag kalimutang i-share ang video nito, Aris. Sharing is caring, right? So see you in my next video. Bye-bye.